nature provides the foundation for our survival. Science and technology explore the profound meaning of coexistence with nature. Mighty Fuel Cell, powered by innovative Korean hydrogen fuel technology, returns what it takes from nature back to nature. As the first light of dawn touches the bustling city, Mighty Fuel Cell leaves a trail of zero emissions, protecting the purity and abundance of nature, quietly nourishing life and allowing it to thrive. Navigating through the arteries of the city, Mighty Fuel Cell delivering nature's freshness and vitality to every heart longing for purity. Conveying the beauty of love, Mighty Fuel Cell also evokes a sense of romance and elegance. With its impressive long-range capabilities, cutting through the noise, venturing into nature, and traversing rugged paths to snow-capped peaks, this green journey is powered by trust. The stars guide you home, with no long waits. Mighty Fuel Cell refuels quickly, storing green energy and showcasing the power of hydrogen technology. It reminds us that respecting and embracing nature is the key to creating a harmonious, sustainable world where we can all coexist.